Okay, for any busy parent out there, you know the feeling. The question, what's for dinner, can honestly feel like the hardest part of the entire day. But here's the thing, it really doesn't have to be. Today, we're going to break down a system that turns that weeknight chaos into something calm, manageable, maybe even something you enjoy.
Man, this quote from 100 Affections, it just hits home, right? I know I have felt that exact way more times than I can count. It's that 5 p.m. panic. You're exhausted, the kids are getting hungry, and you have absolutely no idea what you're going to cook. This isn't just about food, it's about that mental load that hits you day in and day out.
Yeah, I'm willing to bet that sounds pretty familiar. For so many of us, this whole cycle of stress, scrambling at the last minute, and let's be honest, maybe a little too much takeout, that's just the default setting for weeknights. But what if we could change that setting for good?
And that's the good news. The key to getting your evenings back isn't about suddenly becoming a gourmet chef or finding that one single magical recipe that solves everything. Nope, it's about putting a simple system in place, a strategy that works for you, so you don't have to burn out.
So, let's start at the beginning, with the foundation. The very first step to stress-free dinners is all about setting up your kitchen for success. Think of it like this, you're creating your own personal, well-stocked grocery store right there in your own home.
I want you to think of this list as your 10-item pantry that can unlock like 50 different meals. I'm serious. These super simple, shelf-stable items are the secret building blocks for countless quick dinners. I mean, with just canned beans, some canned tomatoes, and a few spices from this list, you are already halfway to a hearty chili without even touching the fridge.
Next up, the freezer. And no, it's not just for ice cream and forgotten leftovers. A well-stocked freezer is your secret weapon against those last-minute, panicked grocery runs. Frozen veggies are actually picked at peak ripeness, so they're just as nutritious as fresh. Oh, and here's a little trick I swear by. Freeze your ground meat flat in freezer bags. Why? Because it thaws in minutes under running water, which is a total lifesaver on those nights you forget to plan ahead.
Okay, so you've got your ingredients ready to go. Now let's talk about the tools, the gear that will completely revolutionize your cooking time. We're talking about the appliances that do all the heavy lifting for you.
Seriously, each of these appliances has its own superpower. The Instant Pot? It's a game changer for those nights you forgot to thaw the meat. The air fryer gives you that amazing crispy texture without all the oil, and it is fantastic for roasting veggies in record time. And the slow cooker, well, that's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it hero, turning tough cuts of meat into something tender and amazing while you're busy all day.
All right, with our foundation in place, let's move on to the next layer of our strategy. This is where we get really smart about saving time by using dietitian-approved shortcuts that don't cut corners on health.
You know, this quote from Abby Haydari just nails the modern, practical way to think about home cooking. It's not about being a superhero who makes every single thing from scratch. It's about being strategic. A little help from the store can be the difference between a home-cooked meal and just giving up and ordering takeout. And speaking of allies in the race against the clock, let's talk about the undisputed king of convenience, the store-bought rotisserie chicken. It's already cooked, it's seasoned, and it's so versatile. It's a budget-friendly shortcut that can be the star of a bunch of different meals. And check this out. Here's how you can make that one simple purchase stretch for days. Night 1, you've got your classic meal, right? Easy. The next night, you use the shredded meat for something totally different, like tacos or a quick salad. And on night 3, you use the bones to make a rich, flavorful broth for a comforting soup. That is maximum efficiency from one simple shortcut. And that rotisserie chicken is just the beginning. These other shortcuts are absolute lifesavers. Pre-cut veggies, they eliminate the most annoying part of cooking. A good jarred sauce adds instant flavor. I mean, really think about it. Each one of these things shaves 5, 10, maybe even 15 minutes off your prep time. And over a week, that adds up to hours you get back in your life.
Okay, this part right here is where we really change the game. We're going to stop thinking in terms of rigid, complicated recipes, and we're going to start thinking in simple, repeatable formulas. First up is my personal favorite, the sheet pan dinner. Now, this isn't just a recipe, it's a whole concept. The goal here is to get a complete meal, your protein, your veggies, your carbs, all cooked on a single pan. That means minimal active cooking and, maybe most importantly, minimal cleanup.
The formula could not be simpler. You just pick a protein, like chicken thighs, sausage, whatever you have, add some chopped veggies, toss it all with a little olive oil and your favorite spices, and then roast it at a high temperature. In about 30 minutes, boom, dinner is done. You can mix and match this based on whatever you have on hand. Next,
For those nights when the fridge is looking truly empty, we have the pantry pasta. This is your "oh my gosh, the fridge is empty" lifeline. It's all about creating a satisfying, delicious meal using almost entirely those shelf-stable items we stocked up on back in part 1.
This is the ultimate emergency meal. While your pasta is boiling, you can whip up a simple sauce and toss in a protein like canned tuna or chickpeas. It's comforting, it's balanced, and the whole thing comes together in about 15 minutes flat.
And finally, we've got a formula that is perfect for using up leftovers and satisfying even the pickiest eaters in your family, the Build Your Own Bowl. The real beauty of the bowl is how customizable it is. You just set out all the components like a mini buffet, a grain, a protein, all the toppings, and everyone gets to be their own chef. You know what this does? It gives kids a sense of control, which means way fewer complaints, and it makes dinner feel interactive and fun.
So, let's pull back for a second. We've built our foundation, we've embraced smart shortcuts, and we've mastered these formulas. But what's the real result? What's the payoff? Well, it's a fundamental shift in how your entire evening feels.
This is the transformation we're talking about, right here. You move from that feeling of dread and stress to one of calm and confidence. You go from constant decision fatigue to a simple, reliable system. This isn't just about what you're eating. It's about reclaiming your time, your money, and your peace of mind.
Let this be your mantra. The goal is structure, not stress. This system isn't about adding more rules or more pressure to your life. It's about creating just enough structure to free yourself from that nightly stress of the dinner scramble.
So I'll leave you with this question. What's one small step you can take this week? Maybe it's just stocking your pantry with some canned beans. Maybe it's buying a rotisserie chicken. Or maybe it's trying one sheet pan dinner. Just pick one thing and start there. You've got this.